Lighting is not just about the brightness, but it is about creating mood, enhancing design, and bringing life into your home. So, one of the most modern and elegant lighting solution today is profile lighting. As you can see in this video, there are the beautiful profile light designs. So, have you ever seen those sleek, continuous lines of light on ceilings, walls, or furnitures? That profile lighting in action. So, in this video, I'm going to tell what are the profile lights, their advantages, and what are the points to consider before you select the lighting designs. So, friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to this channel. Profile lights are a linear lighting fixtures usually made with the aluminium channels and LED strips. These lights can be recessed, surface mount, or the suspended, creating a clean and a minimal look. Unlike traditional bulbs or tube lights, profile lights focus on design as much as the functionality, as you can see in this video. It has some beautiful advantages like these lights gives your home a clean and a sophisticated appearance. So their slim design blends seamlessly into ceilings, walls, and furnitures, making space looks premium and clutter free. Unlike the traditional lighting that creates the harsh spots, profile lights provide the smooth and even illumination. So this enhances the comfort for your eyes and improves the overall ambience. Profile lights use LED technology which consumes significantly less electricity compared to conventional lighting. This means a lower electricity bills and a more eco-friendly home. So these profile lights last much longer than the traditional lights with proper installations. They can run for years without frequent replacements. You can install the profile lights in ceilings, under cabinets, and along the staircase, wardrobes, or even on the walls. They can be straight, curved, or the customized into a creative patterns. Also, it enhances architectural features. So, these lights highlight the textures, false ceiling panels, and design elements. They add the depth and dimensions to your interiors. Also, these profile lights produce a minimal heat, so which makes them a safe for long usage and suitable for enclosed areas like our cabinets or wardrobes. So, friends, there are the but some important points to consider. But you should carefully design these profile lights. So, always plan during the design stage. Profile light should be planned during the initial design or renovation phase. Late installation can be difficult and costly. And second is the point is that choose the right type. So select the between recess, surface, or a suspended based on your ceiling and design requirement. Another point is the proper measurement and placement. So accurate measurements are crucial for otherwise poor placement can ruin the entire look. And one of the most important part is that select the right color temperatures like warm white gives you the cozy and relaxing and neutral white which gives a balance and a natural look. Another one is a cool light which gives a bright and modern, so choose according to the room purpose. Always invest in a high quality LED strips and drivers so cheap components can flicker, fail early, or reduce the brightness over the time. A good aluminum channel helps in deceptionation and increase the lifespan of the LED. The diffuser determines how soft or sharp the light appears, so go for the high quality diffusers for a smooth lighting effect.